Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change slicer header name in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create first slicer. To create slicer, you need to convert this data in table. Simply select the inside the cell and you can just press the shortcut key Ctrl T, and you can see that create table dialog box is open. Simply click on OK, and you can see your data is converted in table. Now I'm going to create this slicer. Simply click on the table, go to the table design. In tools group, click on the insert slicer. Now select here the slicer. So I want the slicer product wise. So I select here the product and click on the OK. And here you can see slicer is added. The product is your header name. If you want to change the header name, click on the slicer, go to the slicer tab in slicer settings. Okay. Here you can see slicer setting dialog box is open. Okay. Now I'm going to change this header name. So in header, the display the header and caption is product. So you can change here. So I just enter here XYZ. Okay. And click on OK. That's it. Here you can see the XYZ. The slicer header name is changed. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.